Alright guys, Weekend Modder here with a quick send-in service proof video for Dalton D. Dalton, this is the console that you sent in for RGH service. It is a Trinity motherboard, so it was RGH using the Ace V3 with CR4 speed up technique. We did the blue LEDs. As you can see, they're really nice fast boot time. We've got Freestyle Dash, Dash Launch, XEX menu, and Aurora Dash all pre-installed on the console. Up here on the backup disk, we've got copies of your original NAND, your CPU key, Freestyle Dash, a bunch of good stuff there. So be sure to check out the contents of that disk. Be sure to check the video links that come in your final confirmation email that will have your tracking number in it, because that will be very useful to help you get started. So yeah, thank you very much for trusting us with your console. We'll get the thing packed up and ready to go out tomorrow. Thanks again.